Hello to my friends in Italy, Spain, and Portugal. I'm Stephen M.R. Covey. I'm the author of this book, The Speed of Trust. And I'm going to be doing a webinar on April 15th on the urgency of trust in times of crisis. And I must say at the very outset that I'm particularly mindful of you and the challenges that you're facing and that the entire world is facing in this global pandemic. I think your countries are magnificent. I've vacationed in all three, and I've done business in all three. I look forward to being with you. I'll be talking about why trust is the number one currency we have as a leader, especially in times of crisis. And secondly, I'll be showing how we can build that trust intentionally, on purpose, during unpredictable times. So I look forward to being with you on April 15th at the webinar. I'll see you then.